Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel for another What's Happening in Vegas, May 2024. Rev up your engines and get ready for some high action at the Silver State RC Race. This thrilling event is scheduled to run from May 1st to 5th at the Southpoint Hotel in the Preifert Pavilion. Hosted by The Dirt, this race is a must attend for all RC enthusiasts and racing fans. The Silver State RC Race is one of the premier events in the remote control car racing scene, attracting competitors and spectators from across the country. Whether you're a seasoned pro or just curious about the world of RC racing, this event offers an exhilarating experience with some of the best racers battling it out for the top spot. Located at the Southpoint Hotel, this event not only promises intense racing action, but also the comfort and amenities of a top-notch venue, making it a perfect outing for individuals and families alike. Mark your calendars for May 4th because the Lovers and Friends Festival is taking over the Las Vegas festival grounds. This festival promises to be an unforgettable blast from the past with a lineup that's packed with iconic stars. Headlining the incredible day are none other than Janet Jackson, Alicia Keys, Snoop Dogg, and the Backstreet Boys. But that's not all. There are many, many more amazing artists set to take the stage, bringing back all those hits that defined decades. Located at the spacious Las Vegas Festival grounds, Lovers and Friends offers not just fantastic music, but also a vibrant atmosphere, perfect for music lovers of all ages. Whether you're there to relive the 90s or experience them live for the first time, this festival is where you want to be. So gather your friends, book your tickets, and get ready to sing along to your favorite tunes. Knowledge24 is an incredible AI conference coming to the Venetian Expo and Wynn, Las Vegas from May 7th to May 9th. This event is a goldmine for anyone interested in how artificial intelligence can transform businesses. Scheduled to unfold over 3 action-packed days, Knowledge24 promises a lineup of inspiring keynotes, exciting breakout sessions, and eye-opening demos that will showcase the latest advancements in AI. This is your chance to dive deep into the world of artificial intelligence and explore its potential to drive innovation across various industries. Whether you're a business owner, a tech professional, or just curious about AI, this conference is designed to equip you with the insights and tools you need. You'll have the opportunity to bring your questions and leave with valuable answers and strategies to infuse intelligence into every corner of your business. Saddle up and get ready for some thrilling rodeo action because the West Coast Regional Finals Rodeo is coming to town. This premier event will be held at the Southpoint Arena inside the Southpoint Hotel and Casino on May 9th and 10th. This isn't just any rodeo, it's a showcase of some of the top collegiate talent from the West Coast. Watch as these skilled participants compete in classic rodeo events, demonstrating their abilities in barrel racing, bull riding, roping, and more. It's a fantastic opportunity to see the future stars of rodeo as they battle it out for the top honors in their field. The Southpoint Arena is the perfect venue for this type of event, offering great views and comfortable seating, ensuring that you won't miss a second of the action. Whether you're a diehard rodeo fan or new to the sport, the West Coast Regional Finals Rodeo offers a perfect mix of excitement and competition. Get ready for a night of legendary rock and roll because the Rolling Stones are hitting the stage at Allegiant Stadium on May 11th. Mick Jagger, Keith Richards, and Ronnie Wood are all set to rock Las Vegas, playing some of their biggest hits that have defined a generation. This concert is especially exciting as it follows the release of their newest album, Hackney Diamonds. This is the Stones' first studio set of new material since 2005, and fans will not only get to hear classic hits, but also fresh tracks from this latest album. It's your chance to experience the new sounds of a band that has continued to evolve and influence the music industry for decades. Whether you're a lifelong Stones fan or just love a great rock show, this is one performance you don't want to miss. Hey, it's that time of year again. EDC is coming back to Las Vegas Motor Speedway from May 17th to 19th, and it's set to be another epic weekend of music, art, and vibrant festival vibes. As one of the largest and most colorful music festivals in the world, EDC Las Vegas brings together some of the biggest names in electronic dance music across multiple stages, each bursting with creative design and cutting-edge production. Expect incredible light shows, massive sound systems, and an atmosphere filled with excitement and energy. But EDC is more than just music. It's a full sensory experience. From interactive art installations to carnival rides and theatrical performances, there's something to captivate every festival goer. It's a place to celebrate life, love, and individuality in a dazzling array of colors and sounds. Held at the expansive Las Vegas Motor Speedway, there's ample space to dance the night away under the electric sky. Whether you're returning for another unforgettable weekend or experiencing the magic of EDC for the first time, this festival promises to be a highlight of the year. News for all the comedy fans out there, but Gabriel Iglesias, also known as Fluffy, is bringing his hilarious stand-up routine to the Cosmopolitan in Las Vegas. He will be here from May 24th through May 26th, and you won't want to miss this. Gabriel Iglesias is renowned for his unique style of comedy, blending stories, sound effects, and a wonderful charisma that keeps the audience laughing from start to finish. His approach to observational and satirical comedy, along with his infectious personality, makes him a standout performer who appeals to a wide audience. Performing at the Cosmopolitan, one of Vegas's hottest venues, ensures that the shows are going to be top-notch. The intimate setting allows fans to experience Fluffy's vibrant comedy up close and personal, making for a memorable night filled with laughter. Get ready for an electrifying night of wrestling action because AEW Collision is coming to the MGM Grand Garden Arena in Las Vegas. It's all happening on Saturday, May 25th as part of the Double or Nothing weekend, making this the final stop before the big pay-per-view event. AEW Collision promises to bring the heat with high-octane matches featuring some of your favorite wrestlers from All Elite Wrestling. Expect intense rivalries, breathtaking athleticism, and storyline twists that AEW is known for. This is your chance to see the drama unfold live where anything can happen in the ring. The MGM Grand Garden Arena is the perfect venue for this showdown, known for hosting some of the most memorable events in sports entertainment. The atmosphere is always electric, with fans from around the world gathering to witness the spectacle of AEW wrestling.